This presentation aims to provide an overview of the extent that the ArcGIS software is used at Nottingham City Council. It will also provide you with an overall understanding of the software and its different facets. Currently, there are approximately 60 GIS users within Nottingham City Council and Nottingham City Homes. GIS is widely used by all departments throughout the authority, in children's services, housing, planning, parks and open spaces, asset management, highways maintenance, property records, public transport and school organisations. The corporate GIS that is used at Nottingham City Council is ArcGIS. This is software provided by Esri. If you wish to find out more about the Esri ArcGIS software, their UK website has online help. This is found at www.esriuk.com. ArcGIS is a generic software term that provides a range of different GIS software capabilities. Essentially, there are three different desktop software license products: ArcView, ArcEditor and ArcInfo. Each product offers additional functionality as you move from ArcView to ArcEditor to ArcInfo. Most GIS users make use of an ArcView license, and this is the case at Nottingham City Council. In the majority of cases, an ArcView license will be adequate for most GIS users. There are, however, additional licenses for ArcEditor and ArcInfo that are available at the authority. There are currently 16 ArcView licenses at Nottingham City Council. An ArcView license offers a range of functions and capabilities: map authoring using Nottingham City Council's predefined map templates, spatial queries, for example analysing the data by using various query building tools, finding features in the map, selecting data by attributes or location and accessing a layer's properties. Simple feature editing and data integration, creating and editing points, lines and polygon features and attribute data. Basic modelling and analysis, understanding how features in datasets relate to each other, generating reports and summarising data. When the ArcGIS software is opened, the name of the type of license being used will display in the top left-hand corner of the software window. There are currently available 14 ArcEditor licenses at Nottingham City Council. In addition to all the functionality available in ArcView, ArcEditor provides some additional specialist editing capabilities, including allowing multiple users to be able to modify and edit the same data simultaneously, building and maintaining spatial relationships between features using topology rules and validation, multiple workflows, quality assurance when validating edits, raster to vector conversion and creating data from scanned maps. There is only one ArcInfo license available at Nottingham City Council. If you would like to use this license, please contact the GIS team. ArcInfo has all the features of the ArcEditor license, plus in addition a range of other specialist and detailed functions. ArcInfo allows you to perform more advanced GIS data analysis and modelling, has tools for overlay analysis, proximity analysis and surface analysis. It contains customised symbols and supports the sophisticated placement of annotation and labels. It is able to publish and convert data in many formats and contains a number of high-end cartography tools. As well as the ArcGIS licenses, Nottingham City Council has a number of software licenses for extensions to the core ArcGIS software. These extensions add additional capabilities to ArcGIS and are used to carry out specific tasks. Again, if you're interested in accessing any of these licenses, please contact Nottingham City Council's GIS team. The Spatial Analyst extension uses advanced spatial analysis to assist in identifying suitable locations, calculating costs travelling from one point to another, land use analysis, performing demographic analysis, conducting risk assessments, modelling and visualising crime patterns. The 3D Analyst extension provides the ability to create 3D views using GIS data, the capacity to analyse 3D data using cut and fill, line of sight and terrain modelling, and for using 3D models and symbols for realism. The ArcGIS Network Analyst is an extension which carries out a number of analyses based on working out shortest routes, drive time analysis, point-to-point routing, fleet routing, route directions, service area definitions, optimum route analysis, closest facility analysis, and origin-destination analysis. Specifically, Network Analyst has been used by Nottingham City Council to calculate refuse collection routes to deliver efficiency savings. Locator Hub is also an extension, and this should be available to all Nottingham City Council GIS users. It is a toolbar and enables you to search for an address referencing the local land and property gazetteer. If you can't see this toolbar, please contact the GIS team. XTools Pro is another extension which provides many various tools and functions for work with spatial data in ArcGIS, vector spatial analysis, shape conversions and table management. For example, it enables tables to be restructured, features to be converted, such as graphics to shapes, points to polygons, and so on. Again, if you're unable to find the function you require in the ArcGIS software, please contact the GIS team to find out more about XTools Pro. The ArcGIS software is continually being developed, changed and enhanced by the vendor, which is Esri. As such, there are a number of different versions of the software. Nottingham City Council currently has some users on version 9.2 and 9.3 and a small number of users on version 10. The GIS team is looking to migrate all users across to version 10 over the course of the year. ArcGIS 10 was a significant release and has increased functionality. The main features can be seen in the online training course provided by GIS 24/7, which is titled What's New in ArcGIS 10. It is recommended that all users watch the presentations from this course to obtain an overview of the key changes. After watching this full set of presentations, it is hoped that as a user of GIS at Nottingham City Council, that you feel better informed about how GIS data is used both internally and externally, how you can capture accurate and reliable data, and how this data can then be used by different applications, how you can create high-quality maps and ensure that when sharing data you adhere to the various legal restrictions that are in place. The GIS team can support and advise you on any issue that you may have. The aim of the GIS team is to ensure that we have well-informed users and up-to-date information for all.